Sign rule. In any triangle ABC, prove by the vector method that A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to sin C. And this is the sign rule. Okay. So here I have made a figure. ABC is a triangle with BC as vector A, CA as vector B and AB as vector C, and exterior angles are pi minus C, pi minus A and pi minus B. Okay. So now in triangle ABC, vector A plus vector B plus vector C is equal to 0, triangle law. Now what this is? Triangle law states, because you can just check the direction, moving this side and again coming to the initial point. Okay. So now vector A cross vector 0 is equal to 0. This is the thing which all of us are knowing. Or now this implies vector A cross, now in place of this 0 we are going to take A, vector A plus vector B plus vector C. Okay. So it is vector A followed by vector B followed by vector C is equal to 0. Now going for the cross product, vector A cross vector A plus vector A cross vector B plus vector A cross vector C is equal to 0. Vector A cross vector B plus vector A cross vector C is equal to 0. Vector A cross vector A is equal to 0. Now vector A cross vector B equal to negative of vector A cross vector C, just shifting to that side, and vector A cross vector B is equal to vector C cross vector A, because here commutative properties is not allowed in the vector. So now this is 1. Now similarly vector A cross vector B is equal to, now vector A cross vector B, now we can write it is equal to vector B cross vector C. Now this can be done as solving vector B cross vector A plus vector B plus vector C. You will be getting this part. Okay. Now from 1, this is equation number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get vector A cross vector B is equal to vector B cross vector C is equal to vector C cross vector A. Now taking magnitude, A cross B, cross product of vector A and vector B, this will be equal to cross product of vector B and vector C, magnitudes of vector C and vector A. So if we are taking magnitude, then also that will be equal. Now by definition of vector product, we get Now what we are getting? We are getting here now A cross B. Now A cross B becomes AB sine. Now A and B are angles between A and B are capital C. Okay, it is sine pi minus C. This is equal to BC sine pi minus A. This is equal to CA sine pi minus B. Okay, so this becomes now AB sine C is equal to BC sine A is equal to CA sine B. Sin C upon C is equal to sin A upon A is equal to sin B upon B, dividing by ABC, because if we are dividing by ABC, then we are left with them. Hence A upon sin A is equal to B upon sin B is equal to C upon sin C. Proved. So this was sine rule.